There are the three different types of the mixtures, that is the true solution, colloidal solution and suspension. For that I have taken 3 glasses. In that I have taken the first solution, that is the true solution. In that I have added the sugar or the salt solution. Then I completely mixed it. Then there is a formation of this is the true solution. After that I have taken the milk, which is the example of colloidal solution. Then I have taken in the third glass, that is the chalk powder. So this chalk powder is somewhat it is the example of the suspension, because the particles are settled down. Just we take the torch, and when we pass the beam of light from this, see, this is the true solution. When the beam of light passes from this, the scattering of particles, the scattering of the beam of light is not we clearly see, because the particle size is so small, because the size of the particles is so small. And when we turn over the next glass, that is the glass of the milk, then see, we have observed that the scattering of the light in this milk particles, because the size particles of this milk are so big as compared to true solution, and the beam of light is scattered from this. Okay. Then we take the third, that is the suspension. We have made the solution of the chalk powder. In that we clearly seen that the beam of the light or the scattering of the light is spread, because this is done because of the particle size, and all the particles are enough big in size, so the scattering of light is clearly seen in this third type of solution, that is the suspension. So we have cleared from this that Tyndall effect is clearly seen in the suspension. Then somewhat little the Tyndall effect shown in the colloidal solution, and after that the true solution, there is we can't see the Tyndall effect. So all this about the experiment, and we have seen the Tyndall effect. Thank you.